Hey, hello guys, welcome back. I hope आप सब अच्छे होंगे. So today's topic is related to the book list. So I have received many messages regarding the book list. So that's why I'm making this video. So there is a lot of book available in the market. You can choose whatever you want to read. But here I am suggesting you some of the good books which I have read. Some of these are really good. So let's get started with that. Before moving to the advanced books, let me tell you about the books which you can use to clear your basics. So first book is NCRT. This is a very good book if you are able to understand NCRT. And apart from NCRT, you can also read Modern Zoology by Ramesh Gupta. This is mainly for NEET aspirant. So if you are new and you didn't know anything related to the zoology basics, so you can read Modern Zoology by Ramesh Gupta also. Okay, but I'll suggest you. My personal opinion would be NCRT. If you are able to understand NCRT, then go for it. Otherwise, you can go for this book also. Okay. So that is for the basics. What is cell? What is the difference between the animal cell, plant cell? So all of these things from the beginning to up to certain level. So these are really good book. NCRT of mainly 11th and 12th class. Okay. If you are able to understand them, then it's good. But if you are not, then go to 9th and 10th standard, because that will cover your basic science also, 9th and 12th standard. Okay. So these are two suggestions from my side for the basics. Now we are moving to the paper 1 book list. So here is the book list for paper 1. So paper 1 for the first part is non-chordata and chordate. So you have RL Chordpal. Okay, this is the best book related to the chordate and non-chordata. Okay, so the name of book is something like the modern concept of vertebrate and invertebrate. So there are two books, one for non-chordate and one for the chordate. And moving to the next one, that is comparative anatomy. So comparative anatomy, you can go for the Kotpal and Shukla. Okay, so this is a good book. You can use this to read about the comparative anatomy between the vertebrates. And next one is Ecology. So for Ecology, PD Sharma is a good book. But if you want to go for another option, you can go for the Wheelbarrow Rastogi. Okay. Now moving to the ethology, that is animal behavior. You can purchase Reena Mathur. It is a good book. You can read this one. And moving to the economic zoology, Shukla and Upadhyay is a good option. You can go for it. Then biostats, you can use Wine Daniel or with Barastogi, whichever you would like to go. I have read some topics from Wine Daniel, but the syllabus of biostats is not covered by either of these books. Okay, so you can use internet for biostats also, because there are limited topics. But if you have some time, then I'll be covering all of the topics. And right now we have started genetics, so just wait for some time if you have time. Otherwise, go for these books or do your internet research, so that would be much more beneficial. For instrumentation method, you can go for PK Bajpai. Considering the biostats and instrumentation method, you can do your internet research rather than going for these books. Okay, so these are the books related to the paper 1. Now we are moving to paper 2, the book list for paper 2. Okay, so this is the book list for paper 2. For cell biology, you can go for CB Pawar, a good book. You can get very clear picture of the cell biology. Then genetics, PK Gupta is a good one, but you can also go for Veelbala Rastogi. And I have told you in the genetics introduction that Gardner is also a very good option if you are thinking to read some higher standard book. Okay, so it is also a good option. But PK Gupta is good enough. If you are going for one of them, then you can go for PK Gupta. Okay. Then evolution, no other option than Veerbala Rastogi. This is a good book. You can definitely go for it. Then systematics, there is a book named VC Kapoor. Again, that is not a good book as per the zoology optional, but you can go for it if you want to read something related to the taxonomy. I will suggest you here, you can do your research. You can go for the internet research for systematics. Okay, or else we will cover it soon. Then Biochemistry, most of the a majority of them prefer Leninger, but I'll suggest you, my personal opinion is DM Vasudevan. Okay, this is a good book. This is for medical students. So this is a nice book. But Leninger is also a good book. But you can also choose Vasudevan. If you are going for Indian author, then you can go for this one. Next one is Physiology. For Physiology, you can go for A.K. Jain. This is also a medical student book, but this is a very good book, very simple and explanatory book. So, but I will suggest you, you can go for either A.K. Jain, or you can just simply read NCRT, 11th class Human Physiology, last section of the 11th class textbook. Okay, but if you have enough time, you can go for Guyton and Hall, and you can also choose Ganong. Okay, so these are the other options for Physiology. Apart from that, we are covering every topic in detail, so just wait for the lectures. You will get every topic in detail. Next is Developmental Biology. So for Developmental Biology, you can choose either Wilbara, Rastogi, Kotpal, Belinsky. Yeah. All of these are same. So, and you can do your internet research. I mean, if you do not have time and you do not like to read book, then you can go to the channel and you can watch the lecture series of Developmental Biology. Almost 99% lectures are there. One or two topics are left. I'll be covering them soon. So these are the book lists for paper 1 and paper 2, and let me tell you some other sources also. For other sources, you can go for IAS Zoology is a very good website, a very renowned author, IAS Zoology. Okay, so this is a very good website, iaszoology.com, and you can also go for Study and Score. Okay, so these are the two websites, but they do not they do not have the complete syllabus over there. Apart from that, you can do your internet research. There is Google, there is SlideShare, or all of these things. And if you know something more than that, then you can comment that, so that other aspirant may came to know about that. So that is all from my side, and that is not an exhaustive list, but that is my preference. Okay, and one more thing I would like to tell you here, that you must make notes from these textbook, because if you are going to write your mains, then obviously you do not have enough time to open all of these voluminous books, and you can't read from them. I'll suggest you to do that. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to revise all of these things. You do not find anything at one place. Okay, you have to make notes from that. Okay, so that it would be much easier to revise from these notes. Okay, so that is a small suggestion from my side, and that's it, all about the book list. And soon I'll be making a video. I'll make a video about the how to write answers, and what would be the strategy to prepare for this optional. This is very in a very simplistic way, I'll be telling you all of these things. So for today, this is the end of the video. If you like the video, you can share it with your friends who are new. If they are about to start their preparation, then it would be beneficial for them. And subscribe the channel, share the video. Thank you. Bye.